Hello, everybody. My name is Renzo. There's new cars. Oops, new cars.
New cars, yes.
But there's a new Lightning McQueen, and hey, Mama. Oh, there's a new thing for Quintana. That's dress. That's his dress. The thing I got to his dress, they diaper.
Diaper?
Yes.
And I have to borrow your towel.
Yes. And
we can get you a new towel if you need a new towel.
there's a new thing I got for Quintana.
Are you filming yourself? I don't see you holding up your camera.
I need a bit. And this is all of the stuff I got.
Oh, very good. And who are you sharing all that with?
Quintano.
And who's Quintano?
My brother.
And who's Vienna?
My sister.
And can she play with it too?
Yes.
She just
But
can't
we're
eat it.
still at the pool relaxing.
We are relaxing at the pool.
But look at that, the baby. It's her Olaf shirt. And I am.
You wearing an Olaf shirt too?
This is the funnest day ever.
The funnest day ever. It is a very fun day.
And I can't really do something. I'm getting tired talking.
Does it
Bye.
still show you? You want to say cut?
Goodbye, everybody, and have fun.
Oh, I think